students. Good morning. How are you? Welcome in maths period. Yes, we are here in our maths period and I hope everyone is having their books, notebooks, everything with them. Good. Someone is standing and leaving the class. Who is leaving? No. You have to take everything earlier. Now come back fast, those who are not having. I can see this. I told you earlier also I am having magical eyes. I can see everything. Okay. Now we were doing chapter rational number and today is the last lecture of this chapter. Today we will finish this chapter. Only few questions are left. We will complete that and after that you have to complete the revision of this chapter. Okay. And what is the homework? You have to complete test paper 1. At the end of the book we are having a practice session. In practice session on page number 20 we are having test paper number 1. You have to complete that. Okay. And all the questions of 3.3 I am completing in classwork. You will do classwork as well as homework. Okay. So now we have the question number 7. Rajat moved 4 by 5 km towards east. Whenever we have to move east, we will move towards right. He starts from P and reaches Q. And how much distance? 4 by 5 km. Then from Q he moves to R. This is again Q, this is R. And how much distance is he covered? 7 by 9 km. Now he has covered 7 by 9 km. Now what is the distance between R and Q? Distance between R and Q? When we were moving east, we move this way. When we are moving west, we are moving this way. When we move right, it is east. When we are moving left, this is west. Okay. After this is said, how far is Rajat from point P? From Q we already find. Rajat is here. Now, how far is he from here? So, distance between P and R. Let's find that. So when we are moving right, we will write plus 4 by 5 minus, when we are moving the opposite direction, we will write minus 7 by 9. We will take LCM 9 and 5, 45. We will divide the denominator. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 9 4s are 36. Minus 45 divided by 9 is 5. 5 7s are 35. So we got 1 by 45. Am I clear? 4 by 5 minus 7 by 9. And this answer is positive. Positive means he is not on the left hand side. He is here only. Okay? It means we will write the answer. Rajat is 1 by 45 km towards east. If we get the answer in minus, then we will write he is in west. But our answer is in plus, so it means he is in east direction. We have to see the signs as well. If you will not see the sign, you will just write that he is 1 by 45 kilometers away, then marks can be cut. You have to write in this question direction also. And you have to mark this question as important. Do mark this question as important. Question number 8. Rashi earns rupees 18,000 per month. So Rashi earns rupees 18,000. Okay. She spent 1 by 4 of her income on groceries. Money spends on groceries. 1 by 4 of 18,000 means 1 by 4 multiplied by 18,000. 4 4s are 60, 4 5s are 20, 4,500. Of means multiply. 2 225 of the remainder. So first we'll find the money remained. Money remained is equal to 18,000 minus 4,500. 0, 0, 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 4, 3, 13,500. Now she is having rupees 13,500. Then he said 225 of the remainder on medicine. So money spent on medicine is equal to 2 by 25 of 13,500. We can write 2 by 25 into 13,500. Whenever we are having off, we will write multiply at that place. So let's divide. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. Then 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 540. 2 into 540 is 1080. It means she spent 1080 on medicines. And 1/3 of the remainder. Now again we will find the remainder. Money remained. How much money she was having? 13,500. So 13,500 minus 1,080. So how much she got? 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 8, 2. 4 minus 0, 4. 12,420. Okay? 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 8, 2. 4 minus 0, 4. And 3 minus 1, 2. 12,420. Then he said 1/3 of the remainder on education. Now money spent on education. One by 3 of 12,420 means 1 by 3 multiplied by 12,420. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. 4,140. How much money is still with her? So how much money is remained? We'll again subtract 12,420. 12,420 minus 4140. Now you will find it yourself. So what we have done? We have written the amount. Then whatever part they have said, we find that. Then we subtract it, because every time he said by the remainder. Matlab, she is having some money, she spent some, then something is left. Out of that, then she spent, some money is left. Out of that. So every time we have to subtract and get the answer. So now next question is the product of two rational numbers. Okay. Now two rational numbers are given and their product is given. And out of these two, one rational number is also given. So in question number 9 now, the product of two rational number is 18 by 35. So we will write product of two rational numbers (18 upon 35). This is a rational number. One of the number is minus 8 upon 7. We have to find another. Let another rational number is x. It means now according to question, x multiplied by minus 8 by 7 is equal to 18 by 35. We have to find x. This is in multiplication, it will go there and it will divide. means x is equal to 18 upon 35 divided by minus 8 by 7. X is equal to 18 by 35 into 7 by 8. Because whenever we are having division sign, we change the division into multiplication and 8 by 7 into reciprocal. Okay, minus sign will remain as it is. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. 2 fours are 8, 2 nines are 18. So we got 9 into minus 1 upon 5 into 4. So now we got minus 9 by 20. This is the answer. Okay. Last question of the chapter. We are having last question of the chapter and it says, no, we are having two questions. Still we are having two questions. Not the last one, we are still having two questions. Question number 10. Two pieces of length 9 by 11 meter and 13 by 22 meter are cut from a 2 meter long rope. It means there is a big rope that is 2 meter long and from that we cut two pieces. What is the length of the remaining rope? Okay. So total length of rope two meter, one piece 9 by 11 meter, second piece 13 by 22 meter. Now we said how much is left. So now according to question we have to find x is equal to, or we can write rope left is equal to 2 minus 9 by 11 plus 13 by 22. It means whatever we have cut, we will add them. Then we will subtract it from the total length. So let's do it. 2 minus LCM of 11 and 22 is 22. 11 divided by 22 is 2. 2 into 9, 18. Plus 13. So now we got 2 minus 8 plus 3, 11, 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 31 upon 22. Again we will take LCM 22 because 2 means 2 upon 1. LCM of 1 and 22 is 22. 22 into 2, 44 minus 31. So we got 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 13 upon 22 meter. So rope left is, you will write the answer statement. Rope left is 13 upon 22 meter. Last question now. By what number we should divide 13 by 15? By which number we should divide 13 by 15 to get 2 by 25? So now it means 13 by 15, let the number is x. 13 by 25 divided by x is equal to 2 by 25. We have to find x. So we can do 13 by 15 into 1 by x is equal to 2 by 25. We have changed the division sign and x into reciprocal. Now we can write 13 upon 15x is equal to 2 by 25. Now we can do cross multiplication. 13 into 25 is equal to 2 into 15x. We can write x is equal to 13 into 25 upon 2 into 15. 2 and 15 we have got here in the denominator. So we can divide 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. We got 13 5s are 13 into 5 upon 2 into 3. 13 5s are 65 upon 6. Or we can write 10 5 by 6. If I divide 13 by 15 by 10 5 by 6 or 65 by 6, I will get 2 by 25. Okay? If we are confused whether we have done it right, so we can check it also. 13 by 15 divided by 65 by 6 is equal to 2 by 25. Now let's check. 13 by 15 into 6 by 65 is equal to 2 by 25. 13 5s are 3 2s are 3 5s are. We got 2 by 25 is equal to 2 by 25. So this way you can check also whether we have done right or wrong. Okay? You should know how to get your answer checked. So your now homework is complete test paper 1 given in the practice session of rational numbers. You have to complete that and you have to complete the classwork as well. Okay? I am waiting for your homework. Complete the work and upload the same on the app. Thank you. In case of any confusion, you can send the feedback to me on app. I will definitely revert to that. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.